Welcome to my channel Art Saga and to the new tutorial video how to place doors and windows. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe the channel and please check the previous video. It will help you understand this video better. So guys, let's start. So, in order to place the door, you need to go to Architecture tab and select Doors. Now you can see Property section tab is activated and Modify section tab is also activated. Let's go to Property section. Now you can see a default door is selected here. You can drop down and see there are different heights and lengths of this single flush door. Let's go with this default door. Move the cursor to draw field and you can see a cross arrow on the cursor. You cannot place a door anywhere other than wall. So let's take the cursor towards the wall and now you can see the door is appearing. Move the door to the desired place you want and select and click it. So you can see a door is placed. Now without getting out of the command, place same door at different wall. So let's go here, and if you want to change the swing, press space bar and now you can see you can change the swing of the door. So let's skip it this way and select click and press escape 2 times. Now I am out of the command. So if this door is incorrectly placed, do not just press Ctrl Z or undo it. Just select the door and you can see these two little arrows. You can change the swing or flip the door either way. So let's flip the door first. I can flip the door on either side and change the swing by flipping it by these arrows, left or right, up and down. Dimension of these doors can also be changed by using up and down or sideways arrows. So I'm just pressing down arrow and you can see the door is moving downwards. Now if this door is placed here, so let's place the door here, and I just want to move this door towards right or left, I will press right arrow and you can see it is moving here. I can also change its swing by flipping this and just move it towards the wall, or I can just simply press the dimensions I want to be here. So let's say I want it 900 center to center from the wall, so let's say 900. So yes, you can place the door likewise. Now if you want a custom door height or length, you can just select this door, and if you want to change its height and length, go to edit type and always duplicate a type. Do not directly change the height for this generic door. So let's duplicate and let's say I will change it as per Indian standards, so 900 mm by 2100 mm. So I'll say OK, and you again have to change the dimensions here. So let's say height is 2100 and width is 900. So I'll select OK, and you can see a new door type is selected, which is 900 by 2100. I can just drop down and I can see a new type is generated here. Now if you desire to have a double door or a glass door for your project, you can go to Architecture, Doors, and you can see a Modify section tab. Search for load families. Now you can see all the metric system families which are used for annotation or build tools are here. Just go for doors. So select doors, and now I want a flush door which is double door. So you can see previews of the door on the right side. You can see previews on the right side, and now I want this door, double door flush door, double flush panel door. So let's say open and say OK to this tab. These are different heights and lengths of the doors. So select OK. Now you can see in the property section a new door is added. So I can also change the height and the length of this door by edit type, the family. So I'll just select this door for now, and let's say this is my entrance door. I will just check for center, and okay. I have to delete this door. I delete it, and again if I see, I can move it with up and down arrows to get center. So by these ways you can load different types of families which are given by Revit. Similarly, we can use the same process to place the windows. So let's go to architecture, windows, and property section is activated. You can either select these windows, these generic windows, edit type and duplicate its height and length, or select families from load families. So let's go to load families, select for windows. Now I want a different type of window. You can see previews on the right side. So I'll just go down, and yes, I want this window type. So let's say open and select OK. Just like door, you can place it anywhere, but you need a wall to do that. You can also have it directly to the center. Just wait for the snap and the center will automatically be selected. So let's say center. You can place your windows anywhere. So after getting out of the command, you can again move the windows by by pressing left or right or up and down arrows. Just as per door, you can also change the swing by using these two arrows. Right now we have just one arrow here. You can either flip it on inside or outside. And if you have an opening, a swing to the window, you can change it to inner side or outside by using this arrow. You can also change the sill height of the window by clicking on window and go to properties. Now you can see sill height is 900 mm above the floor level or the level 1 which is here. We can also say level 1 is a plinth level. So if I want to change the height, I can simply say 1000 mm from level 1 and select OK. So this window is this window height is 1000 mm from the level 1, but this window height is not changed. So you have to select each and every window and give height to it, or select window, right click and select all instances. So you can select visible in view. Right now we are just working in this view. So this view has 3 windows. So I can select 1000 mm and apply. So all this window has 1000 mm height from level 1. Let's go to elevation and just check. So I'll go here and go to elevation. So I can see 1000 mm from the sill, the level 1. So guys, we learned today how to place doors and windows. You can explore more and ask me questions in the comments. Stay tuned for more tutorials and like and subscribe this video and channel. Thank you.